I'm Barbara Hines, President and CEO of QueensCare, a faith-based organization with a long history of providing accessible, quality health care to the Los Angeles communities in need. Originally founded by the Franciscan Sisters of the Sacred Heart, our mission of compassion and accessible health care continues today. QueensCare's current structure was created in 1998 following the sale of its hospital, Queen of Angels Hollywood Presbyterian Medical Center. As a community organization, QueensCare provides and funds preventative and primary care to working poor families, immigrants, undocumented individuals, and vulnerable Los Angeles County residents.
QueensCare touches the lives of thousands of Angelenos, funding nearly $20 million in healthcare programs and services each year, and making the City of Angels a little healthier, one patient at a time.
For more than 100 years, QueensCare has provided its services directly and in collaboration with others, like our partner organization, QueensCare Health Centers. QueensCare's mobile dental and vision programs bring free on-site dental and vision care to Los Angeles Unified School District campuses, where 75% or more of the students qualify for the federal free or reduced lunch program.
Children cannot succeed in school if their teeth hurt or if they can't see the board. QueensCare mobile programs bring services right to the child at school.
Sometimes they come to us with tape on their glasses, or their glasses are broken and they're really having a hard time, and when they put on their new pair of glasses, they are so happy.
QueensCare Health and Faith Partnership has been partnering with various faith communities in Los Angeles since 1992.
We do a lot of health education. We will align people with services. So if someone is uninsured, or they don't have a doctor or nurse practitioner who they see, we'll try to connect them either to a QueensCare Health Center, or we'll direct them to another institution that will meet their needs.
QueensCare's mental health program has been subcontracting with Children's Hospital of Los Angeles for over a decade to provide services to children up to the age of 18 focused on anxiety, trauma, depression, and disruptive behavior. The program has helped thousands of low-income and underinsured children and families across Los Angeles County.
Our clinicians provide individual therapy, family therapy, and try to link the families to different resources in the community, because some of our families come with low income, low resources, and so we try to provide as much service as we can.
QueensCare recognizes the impact of spirituality and healing. The Pastoral Care Division provides spiritual support and counseling to patients of Hollywood Presbyterian Medical Center. Ministers of many faith traditions work with doctors and nurses to provide an essential element of whole person care.
The most important thing as being a chaplain is being present.
Beyond our work in the community, QueensCare also offers charitable grants to nonprofit healthcare agencies and scholarships to individuals pursuing health degrees who are committed to making a difference in low-income communities in the city of Los Angeles.
Receiving the Jean and Marilyn Nuziard Scholarship has been extremely important to me. I've always dreamed of becoming a doctor, and my parents immigrated to the United States from Mexico and worked as farm workers in the Central Valley, and so they weren't able to support me financially, but they always encouraged me to pursue my dreams, every single one of them.
It is often the little things that can make a difference in the lives of those who are struggling. At QueensCare, like Inner City Law Center, we are committed to caring for the vulnerable in our community, whether it is providing health care directly to Los Angeles low-income and underinsured residents through our programs in partnership with QueensCare Health Centers, or through charitable giving. Never has this commitment been stronger than it is today. On behalf of QueensCare, its board and staff, I'm honored to accept the Katharine Krause Award from the Inner City Law Center. QueensCare and Inner City are aligned since we both strive to help the underserved, give voice to the overlooked, and respond to those in need. QueensCare's mission, begun by the Franciscan Sisters of the Sacred Heart, spans a century of service. However, my sense is that QueensCare tends to fly under the radar and that many of you have not heard of us before. While the video helps tell our story, let me briefly tell you who you honor today. This award goes to the parish nurses who gladly wash the feet of the homeless, chaplains who minister to the lost and lonely, dental, nursing, and mental health professionals who provide care to those who would often go without. Like many essential workers, my colleagues are on the front lines now fighting the COVID-19 pandemic with bravery and skill. Over QueensCare's 120-plus year history, our organization has faced challenging times, ranging from the Spanish flu epidemic of 1918 to the political and social turmoil of the 1960s. However, this pandemic is truly unprecedented and calls on each of us to do our part for our community. Clearly, Inner City Law Center does that every day. Your presence today and your support of ICLC, especially during this strange time, could not be stronger testimony to the fact that you are doing your part as well. I thank you again for this great honor. Stay safe and stay healthy.